Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Robert, and today I am extremely happy because something has arrived, which is just there. So normally on a Monday or Tuesday we have a Supreme unboxing. Unfortunately, I don't know where my chair is. No one knows where any of their chairs are, so that's that. I took an L on Thursday obviously, so that's not going to happen. But this morning I am happy because my Union Jordans arrived. And yeah, now I will be honest, I have sold them. They're sold, they're gone, or they're here. They're not gone obviously, they're still here, but I've sold them, so I'm not going to act like I haven't, because I have. But yeah, they've arrived. I was really hoping that they'd arrive today as well, because I was getting a bit stressed in terms of arriving and shipping. So without further ado, we're just going to get straight into this. And yeah, also I was going to wear my nice Space Jam tee for this, but it's actually a bit too big for me now, which I never thought I'd be saying that, but yeah, it's a bit too big for me, so I won't be wearing that. Well, I probably won't be wearing that again unless I wear it as like an oversized shirt, but I'm not really a person who does that. But anyway, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so obviously this is my package. I've tried to cover up my address with this. I'll probably just, I don't know, blur it or something. I don't know, I should probably just remove the label anyway. That's what I'm probably going to do in a second. But yeah, here is my shoe. Now I'm hoping that the box is all okay, because it doesn't look the greatest from how I'm looking at it, but I'm sure everything will be fine. Maybe. Also this morning we had the announcement of the Yohji Yamamoto collaboration. Any pronunciations that I get wrong, my bad. So yeah, if I mispronounce that, my bad. But that was announced this morning, and I'll be honest, it's really good. It's a really good collaboration. I might just throw a couple of photos up, even though we're talking about the Union, but I might just throw a couple of photos up because it's a really good collaboration. The knit they're releasing, the wolf tee, the beanie. There's another tee with just the logo or the text on it that I like as well, but mainly the first three I'm a massive fan of. But I think bots are just going to eat. But anyway, let's go on to this. So obviously I live cocked it. I might just throw the footage up. Oh my god, I got a pair! I got a pair!
No,
let's go! Let's go! I hit a pair!
Oh, I'm through. Load.
Oh my god,
good
my hand,
God.
I'm shaking.
What
Oh my
size did you
god,
get?
US 10.
Ooh, that's what I went for.
Let's go!
Good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. And yeah, you could tell I was extremely happy or excited because obviously this is my first Union cop in the end, because I didn't get the first collaboration, quite obviously, in the end. And yeah, the reason that I pretty much sold them is just because I thought, why not? You know, I could have held on to them, and I probably should have held on to them, but at the end of the day, I'm not the greatest when it comes to selling and holding things. Sometimes I hold things for too long, sometimes I hold things, you know, not long enough. Yeah, so I just thought I'd sell, get them out of the way and get them gone. Personally, I don't see them doing the same numbers as the Jordan 1s because they took a very long time to get up to that price. And then they also took, like, the Netflix show also gave Jordan 1s a boost in general. So yeah, anyway, let's unbox this. Fortunately, the label worked with me. I was able to get it off, so let's open this up. Oh, God. Oh, see, now I sort of regret it because I'm seeing the box. Anyway, you can see. Oh, okay. You can see what I see. Look, like, oh no, what have I done? If they were my size, 100% if they're my size, I probably would have kept them and worn them. But they're not. Let's get them out anyway. Oh, right, let's stand up and get them out. Oh my, what have I done? Hey, what have I done? Oh. So there's also meant to be a poster in here as well, I believe. So yeah, there's my box, obviously, or the front to it and everything, where it obviously says some of the details and such. Obviously, I'll probably just have some up close things going, but yeah. Let's open this out. Oh wow, okay. Oh. Wow, yeah, that's some cool paper. Right, you can see this probably, or you see the up close. Oh, no. Oh. They've got like bits of like rubbish all over them, but still. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. Oh, they're cool. Oh, they're so cool. And then obviously with the tongue, you're able to cut the stitching to make it go out completely, or to make it, you know, move to like the length that you want it. But yeah, obviously, I mean, people have probably seen them already, but wow, yeah, I wish they were my size, but they're not. But damn, they are so nice. I don't know whether I'm a massive fan of the colorway, but at the same time, it gives me like an 80s sort of vibe to it. So with that, I mean, I love the retro like look of the colors blending and things. Like the neon almost look to it is so cool. But yeah, and then you obviously, oh, right, we'll put that down. Got the spare lace. Oh no, that's on the other shoe. I shouldn't have pulled that. Got the other laces obviously in the other pair. Right here, and yeah, there they are, matching. Wow. Now, is it underneath or is there nothing? No, there is nothing. Okay. I was 100% sure that I saw somewhere that someone said that on or underneath the box there was a poster or something, but maybe not. So yeah, but that is them, like. Wow. Obviously on the side here it's got Union LA. If I just put it up close, there you can see that, and yeah, then you just see all of the little details and bits and pieces. But wow, yeah, they are really nice. They aren't my size. I'm at least half a size to a full size out from these fitting, but I've obviously sold them as well, so it wouldn't really matter at this point. But wow, they are so nice. Yeah, I really have no other words to put it. If I can get a pair of the Off Noir or Off Noir colour at the end of the month from Jordan, I'd 100% Percy a pair of them, or have a pair of them for the personal. But yeah. That's a weird smell. Anyway, so yeah, this is obviously my pair, or it was my pair. They'll be gone by tomorrow probably in the end, so yeah. But personally, I didn't think that I was going to be as much of a fan as I am of them. I thought they were nice, but I didn't think that I was actually going to really like them in person, but I do. And the paper is so cool that they've got for it, like genuinely, it's such cool paper. But yeah, that is going to cover this unboxing of the Union Jordan 4s. So yeah, I haven't really got anything else to say. I guess I'll sit box like that and hold these up, and that is going to cover it, because yeah, wow, I regret it a little bit, just a tiny bit, but yeah. But anyway, that is going to cover this video, so thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, like, much appreciated. Other than that, let me know if your pairs have arrived yet or not. And yeah, that is about it. I am such a fan of this suede and everything, and it's, anyway, it is what it is. I've sold them, that's that. They are really nice, but that is that. So yeah, let me know if your pair has arrived or not. Other than that, I hope you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace. They're so nice. They're so nice. Yeah, I even showed them to a family member, and they were like, they just said they were beautiful. So yeah, personally, if they were like a size up, half a size up, I definitely have tried them on. But since I'm a UK 10 in most things, so UK 11, maybe UK 10 and a half, I'm not gonna risk it, you know. It's so nice, but yeah, I just won't risk it. But anyway, if people got their pair for a personal, congrats, because they're so nice.